Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to lock Facebook profile in Samsung Mobile. What you need to do. First, just open Facebook app. After that, click in the three lines in the top left and then click settings and privacy. After that, click settings. And then scroll down and then you see here audience and visibility, then select followers and public content, and here you need to change the features. And you can see here, if you have the features public, you need to select friends, and next one, friends, go back, the next, friend, go back, friends, okay, and go back. Okay, after that, then go back and then select profile and tagging, and then go back, and then you see here profile locking, just click on it, and after that click lock your profile. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to lock Facebook profile in Samsung Mobile. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.